Hello. In this video, we are going to make a toilet paper roll puppet. Puppets can be used for almost all activities possible. For example, singing a song, the puppet can accompany, or telling a story, dramatizing, playing a game, role-playing. So they are really useful for young learners. For this end product that you can see, you need a toilet paper roll, a pen, some yarn, a pair of scissors, and some glue. With the toilet paper roll, we are going to draw a face on it. If we have just done activity using a he, Tom maybe, or a she, Alice maybe, we can decide on the gender of the puppet. Or do not deal with gender, just ask your students to prepare a puppet. So, what do you need for a face? You need 2 eyes. Well, commonly, I draw funny eyes because this is a puppet. It does not have to look like a real person. See? The eyes are funny. So, I will put the pupils here, again in a funny manner. There we go. I color the pupil, and if they like, they can add some eyelashes. I will, to make it even funnier. Here you go. We need a nose, and we need a mouth. It doesn't have to be something very fancy, maybe just a line, smiling. Right? The face is ready, so now let's have some hair. You know what? You can use some yarn, or if they cannot find any yarn at home, they can even make the hair using some scrap paper. With the yarn, what I'm going to do is to form a bunch. The length is not that important. I have the scissors. I can cut them out. See? If you want to have the puppet to have thick hair, make it a thick bundle here. But it doesn't really matter. Students can do whatever they want to do. Now this hair will not sit on this puppet unless we put some glue on the sides of the face. See? I put some glue here on this side, and on the other side I put some more. Maybe in a circle you can do that. Now I take my yarn, put it on the head, and press on the sides. So the glue will paste the yarn as the hair. You don't need to worry about the glue or anything. It just can sit on the puppet like this. I know it doesn't look very fancy, but this is not our aim. We are not artists. We just want them to have a nice puppet that they can use in their activities. Now maybe we can do a role play. Maybe they can introduce their puppet, giving them the puppet a name, age, a family status, anything that they have learned. Thank you for watching.